Next, we have the Odissi workshop by Sujata Mohapatra. I would request all of you to stay back and partake in that too. Registrations are open for the Odissi workshop. Sujata Mohapatra is an eminent Indian classical dancer and teacher of Odissi dancing style. She started learning Odissi at an early age from Guru Sudhakar Sahu. She came to Bhubaneswar, Orissa in 1987 to further her training under Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra at Odissi Research Center in Bhubaneswar. She married Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra's son Ratikant Mohapatra. Her daughter Pritisha Mohapatra is also an Odissi dancer. Sujata started dancing Odissi classical and folk dance with Sudhakar Sahu's dance troupe in programs across Orissa. Under the tutelage of Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra, her dance style evolved and she was groomed to become one of the foremost Odissi dancers of her generation. Sujata Mohapatra is also actively involved in teaching Odissi. Presently, she holds the designation as the principal of Srijan, Odissi Nrityabhyasa, a prime Odissi dance institution founded by Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra. Sujata has also obtained a master's degree in Oriya literature from the Utkal University and has also done research work at the Odissi Research Center, Bhubaneswar. She opened an Odissi institute, Guru Kirti Srijan, in her hometown, Balasore, in July 2011. She has received many awards, including the Mahari Award given by Pankaj Charan Foundation, the second Sanjukta Panigrahi Award given by Chitra Krishnamurthy from Washington, D.C., and she is also a top grade artist of Doordarshan and the outstanding category artist in ICCR. We welcome Srimati Sujata Mohapatra. I request all the dancers and all the volunteers to come and sit in front.
On behalf of Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra's family, I would like to thank the entire organized team of this Fest Ambalam, and personally thanks to Indira. We have a big association with Indira when I was in Nityagram. So at least that friendship is there and the thread of dance is there. And we are like a family member. And I especially came here, I felt that I need to introduce something about my Guruji. And my Guru's work has been worldly known. And myself, I'm totally dedicated to my dance style. As just before me, the Narendran, who did the workshop, it was so nice to watch. And it's always also nice that when a companion is with you to give you some kind of inspiration. And unfortunately today I don't have, but I'll try to manage by saying the bowls, and everybody who will join my workshop, they have to also learn the syllables and they will say. First thing, whoever is present here, they are well trained in Bharatanatyam, so it won't be very difficult for me to teach them. And I'm sure whatever I have learned from my Guru, I can spread. First thing, Odissi is the classical dance form of Orissa. And why it is famous? Because it is famous for the sculpturesque poses. And in our style, we have basic poses called Samabhanga, Abhanga, Tribhanga and Chauka. I would like to request whoever wants to participate in my workshop, Please do come and we all will work. Come. As we know that dance is something we cannot speak, we have to do it. So I would love everybody to come and experiment. The first thing, please come. And just stand in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoever, please. Can you tie the chudni? Ha. Stand in front. Those who are in sari. So the basic stance what we are going to learn is Samabhanga, as if you stand straight, both the hand in the waist point, Sikhara Mudra, Samabhanga. And when we rest our body weight to just one foot, it's called Abhanga. And we keep the hand like the right side. Now I think I need that mic. So that's Abhanga. Can you take the both hand to the left side? Yes. And rest in one foot. The other foot is free. And you stand as if one sculpture. If I do some bhangi, it will look like a sculpture standing. Okay? So everybody can do one hand up. Yeah. That is Abhanga. We can stand in Abhanga, we can stand in Tribhanga, we can stand in Chauka also. So first is Samabhanga. Please everybody stand. Then Abhanga. The foot will be there only and the hand is changed. Show me that bhangi what we did now. Very good. And the feet, you should not make it apart. You should keep it close and as if one bend here. You are resting in one feet. Other feet is free, but you don't have to show that. Then Tribhanga is 3 bend. 3 bend. It's on. It's on. Tribhanga is 3 bend. White. So one. The foot will be like this. And you sit like this. No? Please everybody do it once again. Yes, you can stump 1. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep saying 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that Aramandi, no? So you just open that Aramandi and sit like this. Yes. Yeah. You have to do a little more time. Do it. Do. This is called Chauka. Can you hear me? Okay. So now the challenge is you have to keep the hand and jump. Same rhythm, ta. So the jumping is ta. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta. Ta, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, i, ta. ta, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, ta, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, madhyam ta, ta, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, ta, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, double ta, ta, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, ta, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, stop. That's difficult, huh? Very difficult. See, initially when we learn this dance, it looks very difficult. But when you keep doing it, like it's not one day work, you have to do it for longer time. So now I will give you the easiest thing, what you will enjoy. We, in our repertoire, we do 5 items. One is Mangala Charan, then Battu, then Pallavi, then Abhinaya and Moksha. So I would like, because everybody is dancer and now you know the 4 basic steps, once again we'll just do Samabhanga, Abhanga, Tribhanga and Chauka. Everybody remembers? You say? Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good. You? Haha. Yes. Very good. Very good. Next.
Samabhanga, Abhanga, Tribhanga, Chauka.
Yes. You? Very good. Yes. Good. Abhanga is just stand and just do like this. Very good. Abhanga, you can keep the foot like this and just stand like this very casually. When you Abhanga, Tribhanga, you can keep the hand here and one hand here, up, down and Chauka. Okay, so I hope everybody also can say, you come here, you go there, you come here. Very good. Okay, so now in Samabhanga we will give you a pose. How when we enter to the temple, you must have seen some of the Duta, they stand like this. So when we stand for doing Bhumi Pranam, we stand, the basic stance is like this, where we are using Samabhanga, right? And Abhanga, it's a very female pose. So we can do like this, keep your hand, we can see the mirror, we can keep the hand up, we can keep the hand here. It looks sculpture, right?
Yep.
Once again, 1, 2, 3. Yes, sometimes we go like this. So this Abhanga, the way how Bijina was going like this. Okay, so same thing. And the Tribhangi, like this. This is actually the pose which is very difficult because you have to hold the body weight like this. Can you do? This is very difficult to hold whole body in one foot. And that too, many steps we can do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, heel, 1, 2. You can keep the hand like this and we can do the same step. Indira, you just help me. Ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni. Everybody? E, thi, na, ka. All can also say ta.
E, thi, na, ka, thi,
Double
ni, ta.
I, ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta, a, I, ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta.
Same
Super.
thing, we can keep the hand here and do the same step. Like now we can do little torso movement, because in Odissi we maximum use the special movement of torso. Like we stand and do this. First we learn this, then we can utilize in the dance. Keep the hand here. The body goes to the right, body goes to the left, body goes to the front and back. Once again, right, left, front and back. Once again, right, left, front and back. Right, left, front, back with the rhythm ta.
I, ti,
Na, ka, ti, ni, I, ta. I, ti, na, ka. Keep everybody hand. Ta. I, ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta. I, ti, na. Now we sit in Tribhangi. Ta. I, ti, ta.
ka,
I, ti. Only two
ta.
sides. I, ti, ta. I, ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta. I, ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta. I, ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta. I, good.
na, ka, ti, ni, ta.
I, ti, na. Same step will
ti,
remain there. You
ni,
will change the
ta.
bhangi. I,
Ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta. I, ti, na, ka, ti,
Keep doing.
ni, ta.
I, ti, na, ka, ti. Change your hand.
ta.
I,
ti,
na. Change your hand,
ti,
please.
ni, ta.
I,
ti,
na,
ka.
Now
ti,
your right
ni,
must be very
ta.
tired. Now we try in the left. Okay. There are many poses, but we can utilize in the same. So if we don't know the alphabets, we can't say the words. So for us, the alphabets are Chauka and Tribhangi, and we have like 10 steps. And this is called Tribhangi 1 is just stumping. Tribhangi 2 is 1, 2, 3,
ka, ti,
4,
ni,
ta,
I, ti,
na, ka, 3,
ni,
1,
ta.
2, 3.
I, ti,
Try.
ka, ti, ni, ta.
1, 2, 3.
ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta.
1, 2, 3.
ti, na, ka, ti, ni, ta.
1, 2, 3.
ti, na, ka, ti,
As if
ni,
you are holding
ta.
a rope and pulling and
ti, na,
ka,
ka,
ti.
ti, ni, ta.
1, 2, 3.
ti,
Na, ka, ti. Double. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
ni,
1,
ta.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop.
ni, ta.
It's fun. Obviously, when you learn something which is difficult, end of the day you get the cream. Without difficulties, no life. And if you want to lead your life in success, you have to go the harder path. Chauka. The chauka, the last, you just learned that jump. But in chauka we have 1 to 10 steps. In the 10 steps, you want to join? Please. Good. Very, very good. So boys should come front. Why back? No back. So Chauka actually they will do very good. So because the purpose of bringing them front is Narendran, you sit like this. And now you will jump. Please everybody follow. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Ta. I. Ti.
Na.
Ka. Ti.
Ni.
Ni.
Ta.
I. Ti.
Na.
Ka. Ti.
Ni. Madhyam. Ta.
I. Ti.
Na.
Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti.
Na.
Ka.
Ni. Double ta.
I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti.
Na. Dina. Titta. Din.
Ta. I.
We are not doing the double because in 3 speed, everybody choker is properly done. If you 4, ta, I, thi, na, ka, the leg goes here and there. And the difficult step of Tribhangi and choker is number 3. We do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is actually difficult. But I will teach you the number 6 which is little easier. Okay? 1, 2. Just follow me once, then I will see everybody. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni.
Madhyam
Ta.
ta.
I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka.
Double ta.
I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni.
Please keep
Ta.
doing, I will see.
I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni. Ta. I. Ti. Na. Ka. Ti. Ni.
Stop. Acha. First, the hand how it goes. It doesn't go like this. It always goes like this. So now the hand is confirmed. Now the foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the hand 1, 2, 3. Start.
Ta.
1,
I. Ti. Na.
4, 5, 6.
Ti.
Everybody
Ni.
say 1, 2, 3.
Ti. Na.
Ra, ka, thi, ni. 1, 2, 3. The body is that side. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3,
Ti.
4, 5, 6. Body bend.
Ta.
2, 3,
Ti.
4, 5. Okay.
Ni.
Very good. So now this step I would like to watch one line. So at least if you learn something, you should learn it confirm. Okay. Whenever other workshop you attend, if somebody